Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on automating Quora using Python and ChatGPT. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of automatically answering questions on Quora using a Python script and ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, run the main.py file. When prompted, enter your desired keyword. For this demonstration, we'll use the keyword muscle. After pressing enter, the program will open Quora with the specified search keyword, which in our case is muscle. Next, it will open the browser console and paste the provided JavaScript code. This code will copy all listed questions along with their URLs. Now, a loop begins. The program will open ChatGPT and interact with ChatGPT, asking it to answer the first question we previously copied and then open browser console. Once the answer is generated, we'll copy it by pasting a JavaScript code in the console. Open Quora with the URL of the first question, then open the console and paste a JavaScript code. This code will programmatically click on the Answer button, paste the answer generated by ChatGPT, and finally, click on the Post Answer button. This process will be repeated until all listed questions are answered. Lastly, let's check the first answer we posted recently. Navigate to Quora and verify that the answer has been successfully posted.